Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia.
Today we're making this garlic butter chicken and asparagus recipe. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so good.
I recently came up with this recipe and I just can't wait to share with you guys. So let's get started.
Alright guys, I am using boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe, and we're going to start by seasoning them with some spices. So in this bowl I have some garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, salt, and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together. Then you're going to season both sides of your chicken thighs very generously with your spices. And if you have time, let the spices sit on the chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. If you don't have time, you don't have to do it. It will still come out amazing. Once your chicken is very well seasoned, you're going to heat up a skillet over medium heat. Drizzle in some olive oil and a little bit of butter. Once the butter has melted and the oil begins to get smoky, go ahead and add in your chicken thighs. We're going to cook the chicken thighs for 6 to 8 minutes on one side. If you realize the chicken thighs are getting too brown, make sure you turn down your heat a little bit. You want the chicken to have a nice golden brown color, just like these. Try not to burn your chicken. Once you turn your chicken over, you're going to cook the other side for another 6 to 8 minutes. We want the chicken to get fully cooked, so make sure you have a meat thermometer and check for an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. Okay guys? Once your chicken has cooked, you're going to take them out of the pan and set aside for later. They look so good and they smell amazing. Also guys, if there are any burnt bits in the pan, you want to get rid of them. But make sure you leave the brown bits because those will add flavor. Next, in the same pan, go ahead and toss in some more butter. Once the butter has melted, go ahead and toss in some asparagus. And guys, if you don't like asparagus, you can pretty much use whatever vegetables you like. We're going to let the asparagus saute for about 3 minutes, then add some minced garlic and red pepper flakes. Go ahead and cook those for just 1 minute until the garlic begins to get fragrant. Then you're going to add some chicken broth and the juice of half a lemon. Next, you're going to add some parmesan cheese and fresh parsley, then mix everything together. And we're going to let the sauce cook for 2 or 3 minutes to thicken up a little. If you realize the asparagus are getting too soft, you can take those out and let the sauce cook on its own, just like I did here, because if you overcook the vegetables, they'll lose all their nutrients. I added the asparagus back once the sauce thickened up a little, then I added my chicken. You're just going to let the chicken heat through, and that's it guys, dinner is ready. I served this with brown rice and it was so good. The chicken came out very tender and flavorful and the sauce is really good. If you want the ingredients and measurements, make sure you check out the description box. I have everything there.